How to register Presto card as a student. It's very easy to register a Presto card whether you're a student or not. I will just explain each and everything in this tutorial, right? So let's dive in. So here you can see I've already logged in into my account, but for you, I will show you how to do it. So first of all, you have to just go here, which is basically, first of all, you have to click on new to Presto, right? And once you are here, you have to create an account. So here I want to, so basically you will see a lot of option, but you will not able to see option of sign up. So here on the top right, you will see the option of sign up. So just click on that and just wait for a few seconds here, right? And just wait for a few seconds, and here it will ask you to make an account. Basically this is a login tab, but to create an account you have to click on sign up, which is here. Once you click on here, right, so here you have to enter your email address. So for example, I will just enter my confirm my email address here. So once you do that, just click on I agree to the terms and condition and click on the next. Right, once you click on the next, it will load for a few seconds, as I've already used this email to make an account. Now I have entered my different email address and I have clicked on the next. Then it will ask you to enter the code which they have sent it over your email address. So you can just click on next, or you can just click on send verification code. So they have sent the verification code and we have to enter the code here. So guys, this is our code, and we will just copy it and we will paste it into this. Once we paste, we will just click on verify code here, and then we have to click on the next, right? And once you click on the next, it will just take you a few seconds to load up, and here you have to create a password, right? So I will just create a password here. Let's say this is my password and I will re-enter my password. Okay, and I will click on the next. Now again, you have to just wait for a few seconds, and it will ask you some personal information, which is basically your first name, your last name, your address, apartment, city, and your whatever your location it is, country, postal code, and the primary number. Once you have filled up each and everything, you have to click on create an account. So once you click on create an account, your account is made and you will be in the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. So this is how you can create an account as a student over Presto, and I hope you found this information really useful.